on this. Hey everyone, check this out. We got another RayRC RC car. And this one here is this little one here. So we're gonna see what this one looks like here. Let's open it up together. Let's see what it looks like. I love these RayRC cars. Look how little and cute this one is. Oh my gosh, it's like a dinosaur. How perfect is that? I'm gonna have to unscrew this to put it in there. This is what it looks like here. So let's, I'll take it apart and put it all together and put the batteries in it, and I'll show you in a second. Okay, so it took a little getting used to, but after a while, this is one of the coolest little RC cars ever. So it recharges just there, so it's got the battery inside of it, and the battery lasted a long time. We were playing with it for probably 20 minutes. But look at this, when it goes, it kind of does this, so it splits open and it does stuff, and it looks really cool at night. So like that, I think I got some video that I'll be able to put on there. So this one's super cool, and the remote is just like this, and then you push that button in the middle, and it kind of goes into some sort of demo mode where it just starts going crazy, but very cool. And this is the box from it, so that was very cool. Well, awesome, and it's DODOELEPHANT is the, I guess, the brand, and it's RayRC car. And this one is the, I guess, one of these ones here. I guess it's the yellow one. I'm colorblind, so I can't really tell too much, but super cool. And that's the little barcode from Amazon. Oh, that's just this, we don't want to show that, but there we go. So very cool. So thumbs up for me on this.